The Indian story is going global, and India is now one of the most sought-after manufacturing destinations. The government's Make in India initiative has revived the manufacturing sector, enabling Indian industry to take a giant leap. Investment in manufacturing is expected to grow from 5.50% to 7% of the GDP, thanks to the government's PLI schemes and lower tax rates, making Indian products cost competitive and positioning India as a global manufacturing hub. As India scales up its manufacturing prowess, it is time to grow with India. Presenting the Kotak Manufacture in India Fund, an open-ended equity scheme that invests in companies engaged in manufacturing activities, which may give you an opportunity for wealth creation in the long run alongside the growing Indian economy. The theme of the fund would focus on taking advantage of the China Plus One strategy, which will help increase the international footprint for Indian manufacturing companies, the production-linked incentive scheme of the government, the advantages of deleveraged balance sheets of corporates, the likely boom in the housing sector, and the reduction in India's carbon footprint. The Kotak Manufacture in India Fund will invest in companies engaged in manufacturing, which may give you a wealth creation opportunity in the long run alongside the growth in the Indian economy. The new fund offer opens on Tuesday, 1st February 2022 and closes on Tuesday, 15th February 2022. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.